Hello, I am Chitta. I am here because I love to share interesting facts. Let's start our journey. Whose birthday is celebrated as National Youth Day? Swami Vivekananda. On which day the National Science Day is celebrated? The day on which Raman effect was discovered. Whose birthday is celebrated as National Sports Day? Major Dhyan Chand. Whose birthday is celebrated as National Engineers Day? M. Visvesvaraya. Whose birthday is celebrated as National Education Day? Abul Kalam Azad. Whose birthday is celebrated as National Doctors Day? Bidhan Chandra Roy. Whose birthday is celebrated as Kisan Divas? Chaudhry Charan Singh. Whose birthday is celebrated as International Day of Non-Violence? Mahatma Gandhi. Whose birthday is celebrated as Rashtriya Ekta Divas or National Unity Day? Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Whose assassination day is observed as Martyrs' Day? Mahatma Gandhi. Whose assassination day is observed as Anti-Terrorism Day? Rajiv Ratna Gandhi. Whose birthday is celebrated as Good Governance Day? Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Whose birthday is celebrated as World Braille Day? Louis Braille. Jnanpith Award is given in which field? Literary writing. The replica of Goddess Saraswati is given to the award winners. Oscar Award is given in which field? Film industry. Grammy Award is given in which field? Music industry. Why Paramveer Chakra Award is given for? Showing bravery in wartime. Arjun Award is given in which field? Sports in India. To whom Santi Swarup Bhatnagar Award is given? Young scientist. Nobel Prize Award is given in which field? It is given in 6 fields: physics, chemistry, medicine, literature, peace, and economics. Dronacharya Award is given in which field? Sports coaching. Dada Saheb Phalke Award is given in which field? Indian cinema. Fields Medal is given in which field? Mathematics. What is the highest civilian award in India? Bharat Ratna. Abel Award is given in which field? Mathematics. Merlin Award is given in which field? Magic. What is the official language of India? Hindi in Devanagari script and English. What is the official language of Kerala? Malayalam. What is the official language of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana? Telugu. What is the official language of Arunachal Pradesh, Mizoram and Nagaland? English. What is the official language of Sikkim? Sikkimese and Nepali. What is the official language of Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand. Hindi. What is the official language of Goa? Konkani. What is the official language of Assam? Assamese. What is the official language of Gujarat? Gujarati. What is the official language of Tripura? Kokborok. What is the official language of West Bengal? Bengali. What is the official language of Maharashtra? Marathi. What is the official language of Karnataka? Kannada. Who was the first man to journey outer space? Yuri Gagarin. Who was the first man to walk in space? Alexei Leonov. Who was the first woman to walk in space? Svetlana Savitskaya. Who was the first man to walk on the moon? Neil Armstrong. Who was the first India-born female astronaut? Kalpana Chawla. Who was the first space tourist? Denis Tito. Who was the first woman to journey space? Valentina Tereshkova. Who was the first woman space tourist? Anousheh Ansari. Who was the last man to walk on the moon? Eugene Cernan. Who was the first Indian to journey space? Rakesh Sharma. Which animal was sent by man to space for the first time? Fruit flies. It was sent in 1947. What was the first satellite of the world? Sputnik. It was sent by Russia in 1957. What was the first satellite of India? Aryabhatta. If you like this video, please share and subscribe our channel. Thanks. If you have any questions, you can find me at ajosuccessmantra@gmail.com. Thanks again for watching this video.